Imagine you're an astronaut, floating in space, and you need to build a web application that can withstand the extreme conditions of space exploration. You'd want a framework that's robust, scalable, and easy to maintain. That's where React comes in. It's like the rocket fuel for your web development journey. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it's used by top companies like Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. But what makes React so special? In this React tutorial, we'll take you on a journey to explore the world of React. And by the end of it, you'll be able to build your own web applications like a pro. First, let's talk about the basics. React is all about components. Think of components like Lego blocks. You can combine them to build anything you want, from a simple button to a complex dashboard. React components make it easy to build and maintain your applications. Now, let's dive into the world of React hooks. Hooks are like superpowers for your components. They allow you to use state, context, and other features without writing a class. It's like having a magic wand that makes your components come alive. But how do you deploy your React application? That's where Docker containerization comes in. Docker is like a spaceship that can carry your application to any planet. I mean, any server. It makes it easy to deploy and manage your applications, no matter where they're hosted. You know, building a React application is like designing an electric vehicle. You need to think about performance, efficiency, and scalability. And, just like how electric vehicles are powered by batteries, React applications are powered by JavaScript. Now, let's talk about the relationship between React and Python programming. While React is a JavaScript library, you can use Python as a backend language to power your application. It's like having a powerful engine that drives your application forward. As we explore the world of React, you'll learn about state management, props, and context. You'll discover how to build reusable components, optimize performance, and debug your applications. In this React tutorial, we've covered everything you need to know to get started with React. From the basics to advanced topics, you're now ready to build your own web applications. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your own React application today. And remember, the possibilities are endless. You can build an application that can take you to the moon, or even to the edge of the universe. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting more tutorials and videos on web development, space exploration, and emerging technologies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.